Today I'm going to show you how to properly apply Loba 2K Supra A.T, and more importantly, why we strongly recommend it for cork flooring. Polyurethane is especially important in high moisture and high traffic areas such as kitchens, entranceways, laundry rooms, commercial spaces like offices, restaurants, gyms, and yoga studios. It protects your floor from water damage and extends its lifespan. For colored cork flooring, sealing is even more important. Cork floating floor, like other floating flooring, naturally expands and contracts, which can create microseams over time, especially on white floors. A proper polyurethane coating helps seal those seams and prevent them from becoming visible, and this is where Loba stands out. It's a ceramic reinforced polyurethane designed specifically for cork. It does not yellow or haze over time. It stays flexible, which is critical because cork can self-heal and compress. With Loba 2K Supra A.T, you're applying a finish that can last 5 to 10 years, depending on traffic. Personally, our recommendation is simple. Seal the floor once after installation, and you won't have to think about it again for years. For glue-down cork tiles, allow the adhesive to fully cure for a minimum of 24 hours before applying the finish. Always follow the adhesive manufacturer's instructions carefully. For floating cork flooring, the floor can typically be finished once installation is complete. However, we recommend allowing the floor to rest for 24 to 72 hours before coating to let the flooring fully settle and acclimate. Now let's walk through how to apply it step by step. Before we start, here's what you'll need. Loba 2K Supra A.T polyurethane plus hardener. Microfiber roller, appropriate roller, 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch, 8 mm to 12 mm. Microfiber roller, no substitutes. The Loba polyurethane requires a high-end microfiber roller with a low-nap microfiber. Sanding pad 180-220 grit. Vacuum. Microfiber mop. Mixing container or scale. Coverage is about 500 to 600 square feet, per gallon per coat. Step 1. Light sanding. Preparation is critical. Make sure the floor is clean, dry, and dust-free. Lightly sand the floor using a 180-220 grit sanding pad. Vacuum thoroughly and then use a clean microfiber mop pad, lightly dampened with water, to remove any remaining dust from the floor. This sanding process should only create tiny micro scratches to help the new coating bond properly. It is very important that the sanding does not change the appearance, color, stain, or pattern of the cork floor. Use a sandpaper, typically between 180 to 220 grit, and lightly sweep it across the surface with minimal pressure. Step 2. Mixing. This is a two-component system, so mixing must be exact. For a full container mix, first shake the base well. Then add the entire hardener into the base container, close the lid tightly, and shake vigorously until fully mixed. If you're mixing smaller amounts, use a ratio of 10 parts base to 1 part hardener. We recommend using a mixing container or a scale for accurate measurements. And remember, only mix what you need. Once mixed, the product has a limited working time, so overmixing can lead to unnecessary waste. Step 3. Apply your first coat. Use a microfiber roller, apply evenly. No puddles or streaks work, and smooth passes let dry for 2 to 3 hours before recoating. Step 4. Before apply second coat, light sanding again. Lightly sand the floor using a 180-40 grit sanding pad. Vacuum thoroughly and then use a clean microfiber mop pad, lightly dampened with water, to remove any remaining dust from the floor. Step 5. Apply your second coat the same way. For cork flooring, typically 2 coats in high moisture areas, up to 3 coats for maximum protection. Now let's talk about drying and cure times. If you're applying additional coats, the recommended recoat time is approximately 2 to 3 hours between coats, depending on temperature and humidity. The floor may be dry enough for light foot traffic, socks only, after about 5 hours. Normal foot traffic is typically okay after 12 hours. We recommend waiting at least 3 days before placing furniture back onto the floor, and the finish reaches full cure in approximately 3 days under normal conditions. If you have active dogs, we strongly recommend waiting about 5 days before allowing them back onto the floor to help prevent scratches during the curing process. And very important, during the curing period, avoid placing rugs, furniture, pets, or allowing children on the floor. Even if the surface feels dry, the finish underneath may still be curing. A few key tips. When applying Loba 2K Supra A.T, our preferred method is to pour the finish directly onto the floor and spread it using a fully saturated roller. You can also use a clean painter's tray, but make sure it has been rinsed thoroughly with water and completely dried before use. Keep the room temperature above 13 degrees Celsius or 55 degrees Fahrenheit during application and drying. Apply smooth, even coats, and avoid applying the finish too thin. For cork flooring, apply a maximum of 2 coats per day. In kitchens, entrances, and other high moisture areas, we strongly recommend applying 2 coats for added protection. Even in lower traffic areas, many customers still choose to apply at least 1 coat to help protect the seams and extend the life of the floor. Your roller should be fully saturated with finish but not dripping. Always maintain a wet edge while working and avoid going back over areas that are more than 10 minutes old, as this can create lap marks and uneven texture. Do not allow puddles, streaks, or excessive rolling over the same area. Once mixed, the product has a pot life of approximately 2 hours, and a very important tip, do not mix more material than you need for 1 coat. Especially for first-time applicators, it's common to apply the finish too thin at first, which can lead to unnecessary waste from overmixing. Make sure the finish is applied evenly with proper coverage, not too thin, to achieve the best durability and appearance. And that's how you apply Loba 2K Supra A.T. If you want your cork flooring to last decades, this is one of the most important steps. Visit our website to order cork flooring.